Hey guys, so this is my computer screen, and as you can see it's flickering and it's broken and I have to fix it. Um, that is why I got this new screen. Um, and yeah, before we're unpacking that one, I just want to get access to the screen. So what I'm using is a knife. Yeah, that's the only thing I could find right now. And what you have to do is, so this is an Acer computer. It's V5 573, I think. And what I have to do is here you have this small gap, and you can try to get your finger in this gap, and then you can just start removing the frame. But you can, like, the fixations are in the middle, so it helps to have a knife to just go along the whole frame. It's not really hard to do, just be careful because I think it could break rather easily. It's not the um, most qualitative material. So yeah, but it goes rather easy. So um, just don't be too afraid that you could break anything. So this wasn't too hard, was it? Okay, so the next thing is you have four screws in every of the the four single corners. So one here, one here, and one here. So make sure you get the right ones because there are some more screws, but you don't want to loosen these. So what we'll have to do is you need to have a small screwdriver, like for every um, computer related um, things. You should have one of these, and then you just have to loosen the screws. But maybe to have it easier, you can just flip your screen, your whole computer, and then you can easily remove the four screws. Yeah, so I've never done this before. So this is live, and I hope it works. Okay, so now the screen should be removable. Oh, I forgot one. Oh, I took one of the wrong ones, so I'm going to put one back in. Okay. So now you can lift up your screen, and for that it makes sense to flip it again, so you get access to the back side of your computer. Okay, so what you see here, this is your connector. This cable gets the signal from your graphic card and then sends it to the screen. So we need to remove the tape. So this was a tape that I put there because I thought I could fix it, but usually it looks something like this. So there's this transparent tape, and here's the connector. And all you have to do is you just remove this clear tape. Goes also rather easy, and then just unplug it. Oh, there we go. There's your screen. Okay. So next thing is unpacking my new screen. Ta-da! This is that. Um, yeah. So you should make sure when you order your screen is that you make sure that the location where you have to put in the adapter is on the right side. So it can either be here, it can sometimes be in the middle, or sometimes be there. So make sure you get that right. So yeah, so hopefully all we have to do is to plug this in here. Okay, it lights up, that's a good thing. I'm excited. Then put your sticker back on. It doesn't really like stay there, so I should probably fix it with some more tape. So I hope that holds. And then we'll see. And ta-da! This looks really good, doesn't it? So yeah, just to make sure that I'm on the safe side, I'll add some more tape. Maybe I can this time prevent my screen from giving me weird stripes and stuff. So I'll just log in for a second. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to put your cable back into the correct location. So this probably isn't too important, but I'll try to make it right this time. And yeah, so that stays. Okay, so I think we can now flip it back, and now hopefully this all fits. So I'll now put in the screws again. This looks good. Oops. Yeah, as you can see, there are some obstacles you might encounter, but in general it's really not that hard. So really no reason to throw your laptop away or give it into a repair. I think the main problem is actually to find the right model, because you really need to order the right screen. So because they are, oh, now this cable probably should be behind this cover. Oops. Okay. Maybe I'll just leave it where it is. Maybe I can just add some more tape to fix it. And to isolate it as well. Okay, and now we're back to the frame part where we started from. Okay, maybe I should before remove. Actually, I could leave it on. So yeah, do as you prefer. I think I just leave it there. And yeah, put your frame back on. This is just like a clip mechanism. So this goes around the quick. And there we are. That was it. Thanks for watching, and don't be afraid, it's not that hard. So good luck.